this shop garage shed thing is completely gone. We left that portion of it. It's about 2 bays. Today what we're gonna do is close in that one side that's open. The guys who took down the shed left all of the tin and some boards that are pretty long and pretty straight. So we'll use that. Hopefully that's enough to put up the girts that we need and put the tin on the side and close it in like it's never been by itself before. So by the end, it should just be a 2-bay, small little open implement shed, and we'll go from there. Let's get started. All right, first let's talk about a few things that I know I'll need for this project. One, I anticipate that I'm gonna need this framing nailer a lot. Between this project, when we put this barn in, which is right where I'm standing now. I'm calling it a shop too, by the way. Anyway, galvanized nails, speed square, find the pitch of my roof, batteries, that's a given, sheet metal screws, and tin snips. Now we can get to work. Is that one long enough? Found some treated lumber in those 2 really long boards. They're 2x4s, but that's no big deal. So I'm gonna splice them together with these 2 and get this bottom girt on. Main voyage with the new nail gun. Lift it off the ground, nail it in. Boy, that pole, not attached to anything. Probably doing here, yeah, here and then up there. Steaks like meat steaks. I'm going to find a couple meat steaks. No, I'm just kidding. Now we've got a wooden stake to support that whole pole. Look, it's as strong as ever. You let me know if it looks wonky on camera. Leave a comment below. Like butter. Oh, these are all the things that you say. Maybe I should have you say like butter.
That's why he borrowed me over here today.
It was to save him from boredom. Endless boredom. Excellent. In his natural habitat, Dad, also known as Grandpa, cuts a 412 on a 2x6 from back in his day. Wait for it. And there it is. Isn't she a beauty? .42.5, 412, which I think it's actually probably a 512. But we're gonna stick with a 412, just 'cause why not? That does smell good. Nail gun, nail gun. Ooh, I don't have any nails in there. I should load it up before I get up there. What a wise choice. Tool belt would also be a wise choice. I think it's fine. Do 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 do. Ba-dum ba-dum. Do 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 do. Ready? Yeah. There. Nice and strong. And we even put a level on it finally. The last girt is on. If you guys are all thinking this is hodgepodge, I'm kind of thinking the same thing, but either way, it'll hold some tin and it'll look like the rest of the building. More reason to stay tuned for this big shop build coming up. I highly recommend the demo blade for that kind of work. All right, what we're doing right now is leveling it so that every sheet goes on perfectly plumb, actually. What I'm trying to do as we go along is line all these screws up on the girts so that they aesthetically look pleasing. It's probably not as good as it could be if I use a level and punch them out ahead of time, which is probably what I'll do on the other building, but that's what I'm trying to do. If I mark it here and right here, we can do a straight edge between those 2 points. Okay, we're good. While he cuts, let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe down below. Ring that bell for notifications and all those other YouTube things. Dad, did I miss anything? All right, what we have left is just that top little part all the way across. And we are trying to figure out laying these out since this was part of the building on. All right, we got it all laid out, we think. We're gonna start with the middle and work our way that direction. I literally screwed my finger to the tin. It like got my glove and then it pinched my finger in there. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Let's see what this difference is now that I have a driver. Probably nothing, but also this is magnetic. Good? I think I'm gonna get on the roof and then you can hand that to me somehow. Yeah, I wonder if you could go on that side and slide, like get it on the edge. And then I could just slide it up. Ooh, it is windy up here. Ah! And it's probably hotter than the dickens. Okay, right there. Oh, oh. Let's finish this project up. Bend these down over it. It's not the prettiest, but this is just how the rest of the building is, so that's what we're gonna do in this case. And then we'll be done. That's a wrap on that project. A lot of moving around. This is like the next day. I got almost everything done in one day. It took way longer than usual, just like always. Someone told me once, if you plan on a set time for something taking as long as you think, say 2 hours, then you should like double it and raise it to the next power. And so really it should have taken like 4 days. Double 2 hours and raise it to the next power hours today. Anyway, it took about a day and then like an extra 2 hours. I keep alluding to this shop build that I'm going to start. This whole thing, this portion of the building, which I showed earlier in the video, was in preparation for this new shop. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a whole series. I don't know what that looks like yet, but as we continue through that process, there's going to be more videos out specifically on that and the building of that in what I would say the correct way versus slapping some tin on an old building, which is what we did today or yesterday. Actually, it was 2 days ago, but you don't need to, it doesn't matter. You want to come say goodbye? Come on. Can you say like?
Like.
Can you say subscribe?
Tap.
Like, subscribe, ring the bell for the notifications. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below. As always, I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.